sent to a video either.
You didn't say that. Okay. Oh, I don't like this.
This is Amalia Kamano.
Hi, my name's Amalia, and I'm going to educate you guys on 3 ways to prevent diabetes. The 3 ways are weight management, exercising daily, and having a balanced diet. Do any of you know the complications of type 2 diabetes? Some of those complications are foot amputation, toe amputation, and even blindness.
Hardcore.
These can all be managed with prevention of high uncontrolled blood sugars. I'm going to educate you on 3 ways to prevent diabetes. We're going to look at our first and most difficult task. The first task is weight management. A study by the International Journal of Clinical Practice revealed that losing 5 to 7% of total body weight can reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes. For example, a person who is 200 pounds can lose 5% of their body weight, which is about 10 pounds, and this can reduce their risk of diabetes significantly. So weight loss can also control patients who already have type 2 diabetes and can control their blood glucose levels and keep them lower. This brings me to my next point that is helpful: regular exercise. This will also aid in weight loss. Exercising can help by reducing your chances of developing diabetes by 50%. A study by the World Journal of Diabetes showed that just exercising for 30 minutes every day reduces your chance by over 50%. Exercising every day should include anaerobic exercises such as walking, running, jogging, hiking, or swimming. These are all good ways to incorporate daily exercise. The last step that is most important is in eating a complete and balanced diet that this helps reduce the rate of developing diabetes as well. The Lancet published a study recommending a diet that has whole grains, nuts, and is low in red meats and refined grains. This will reduce your chances of developing diabetes as well. One of the best ways to practice this is the MyPlate method from the CDC, the Centers of Disease Control. With this diagram and this method, the best way to incorporate whole grains and vegetables in your diet is to take a 7-inch plate and cut it in half. And half your plate should involve non-starchy vegetables such as broccoli, lettuce, tomatoes, anything you like, cucumbers as well, that's a great one, full of water. And then the next half of your plate can be divided into fourths and should consist of a starchy item, which can be whole grains, and it's suggested whole grains. And then a fourth should be protein. It can be meat, it can be some other form like eggs, but this is a good way to control your blood sugar levels if you follow this plate method on a daily basis with daily meals. So in conclusion, reducing your rates of diabetes involves moderate weight loss, regular exercise, and a healthy diet. The purpose of this speech was to educate you guys on ways to reduce your chances of developing type 2 diabetes. And remember, it's always easier to prevent than it is to treat a chronic condition. So if you start by reducing and preventing these chronic diseases from happening, the longer your life expectancy will be.